Hi everyone, welcome to my latest video. So at my last Arduino video I made an LEDs blink with an ER sensor, but in this video we are going to control 4 liters EDS with a joystick. So let's put our seatbelt and let's go through the world of Arduino. If you want the code I will give the code in the description. Let's build. The GND pin of the joystick is connected to GND on the Arduino board. The VCC pin of the joystick is connected to 5 volts on the Arduino board. The button pin of the joystick is connected to digital pin 2 on the Arduino board with a pull-up resistor. The X-axis pin of the joystick is connected to analog pin A0 on the Arduino board. The Y-axis pin of the joystick is connected to analog pin A1 on the Arduino board. The 4 LEDs are connected to the Arduino board by LED 1 is connected to digital pin 3 on the Arduino board. LED 2 is connected to digital pin 5 on the Arduino board. LED 3 is connected to digital pin 6 on the Arduino board. LED 4 is connected to digital pin 9 on the Arduino board. Let's code. This Arduino code is designed to control 4 LEDs using a joystick. The code reads the X and Y values from the joystick and maps these values to the brightness of the 4 LEDs. The joystick's X-axis is mapped to the east and west LEDs, and the Y-axis is mapped to the north and south LEDs. The code uses the map function to map the joystick values to brightness values for the LEDs. Finally, the analogRead function is used to set the brightness levels of the LEDs based on the mapped joystick values. This code is a great example of how to use an Arduino to control LEDs using a joystick, and could be a useful starting point for anyone looking to create their own projects using these components. If you want the code, I will give the code in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more Arduino videos, like, share and subscribe.